So get back to the now is actually, we use it when we do stress management. So stress is part of our life, right? So stress is out of our control. It's something is stressing us, put us off, or it just doesn't feel good. So stress can boil it down in 3 subjects: health, money, relationship. This is all boiled down. You have a stress with your boss or with your mom, with your friends, with your partner, is all relationship. Whenever you have financial problem, doesn't matter it is in your work or your personal life or whatever, it's all money. And whenever you have any health issues for yourself or for others, is all boiled down health. Stress is being out of our jurisdiction, but we have only one choice: how we deal with it. And as you remember, whenever you try to remember something, it's like, oh, what is that name? Oh, what is the subject? Blah, blah, blah. It stresses you out, and then you're like, I cannot think.
Yeah.
And after you let it go, all of a sudden it's click, it comes in your mind. So this is what we're using here to create that positive when things can flow. And this is what we can choose to have. Besides we feeling better, we create a possibilities to things are happen. And yes, some people believes in God, some people believes in spirituality, some people believes whatever, some people doesn't believe it all, but everyone experiences the possibility things can get better. So that's what we're using it, and I'm encouraging to create the best way. Power, control keeps us here and makes work. Feelings, it makes happiness, is like, that's good. So think about it. When you are on a vacation and all of a sudden you feel good, there's nothing stressing you, you have tons of good ideas. So stress management, getting back to the now, is combination. Use it as a tool. I'm encouraging you to use and see what will happen. I am trusting this. It's been proven for me for really long time. Invite a moment in your mind at the moment what is stressing you. Okay? Feel the stress. Okay? And after, when you feel this stress, I'm going to teach you to how to get in the moment, just to be in this room through your 4 or 5 senses. And when you have this, like you're back in the moment, imagine your best outcome and just simply let it go and thank you. So this is the sequence we're going through. It's nothing more than a few minutes, and you can use it for any boiled down stress moment. All right, so we just went through in a stressful moment, or say like, I'm gonna pay this, I don't know what I'm gonna do with this, like, it's scary, I'm afraid I'm not gonna make it through. Okay, so just, this is the stressful moment. So everyone invite one. It's icky, stressing. So take a deep breath and just feel the fragrance in the room at the moment. What is the smell I feel? This is something. Okay, there is another thing. Let's find another smell. You can make it out in your breath. Focus on that one. Try to identify it. Pretty good. All of a sudden, looking for some noise. Maybe something outside of the room. Maybe it's a train, an airplane, a bird. How cute is that? Okay, let's find another sense for your ear. Maybe my voice at the moment. Maybe the fan in the room. Maybe something else. Find it. Okay, let's find another sense. What is the sense, the taste in your mouth? Your coffee, your dinner, maybe a little metallic. Maybe something in your saliva. Let's feel it, what it is. Okay. Let's find another sense. Or say touch. Feel your skin. How is that feels? Is that still feels the water of your shower or maybe the lotion? Feel your clothes touching your skin. Feel your bum sitting on this chair. And just feel the moment in the room. I am here. So let's start. How would you feel absolutely happy if the best outcome, whatever is stressing you at the moment? So it could be you have your raise, you get more money. How is that would feel? Oh, I can buy this, I can book my relationship, a beautiful vacation. Oh, I can buy that one. That would be great to have it, to enjoy it. Oh, that would be wonderful. Or just think about it, to feel your body is healthier and you have limitless power to do things you would love to do. How would that feel? Oh, I can run, I can walk. It doesn't feel just the best of everything. My body is full. Just play with it. Or your absolute happy relationship, like you guys understanding each other, you listening, you understand the motivation, why your boss doing or your mom doing, whatever you're doing. Oh, I get you now. Oh, it's a deep sense of understanding. So just play with your best outcome and feel to have it. I give you a moment to go through and enjoy it. Feel it with all your senses. We just learn to feel. I give you a moment to feel it through all your senses, your best outcome. That's nice. It feels wonderful. It feels rewarding. It feels powerful. So now just own and embrace with full your energy, like I am in this absolute positive, limitless, wonderful outcome. Take a deep breath, just lift your chest to let it out, to make it happen. And thank you. Just take a couple of deep breaths, feel grateful you can make this happen. And whenever you are ready, just open your eyes. Now, it's a very important sequence to give yourself a moment. It's always important because there is something is being out of your pleasantness. You need to see what, why, how can I make it better, and how can I shift back, because when it's something out, it never works.